How to download YouTube video to mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device, and firstly let us see how to download your own video. So tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and you will see the option for channel video. Tap on that and you will then be able to view all your videos that the channel has uploaded. So go ahead and navigate to the video that you want to download and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right of your screen and you will see the option for download video in the menu that appears. Tap on it and then go ahead and choose your quality of the video that you want to download, and then tap on the download option you see there, and with this the video will be downloaded. Now if you want to download someone else's video, then go ahead and navigate to the video that you want to download and then tap on the three dots you see there. You will then see the option for download video. Tap on it and make sure that you will need YouTube Premium in order to do so, in order to get the highest quality of video downloaded. So simply tap on the download option if you have YouTube Premium, and with this, the video will be downloaded. So this was about how you can download YouTube video to mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.